Can fibromyalgia cause sleep apnea? If you're living with fibromyalgia and often find yourself tired and restless, you might be wondering if there's a connection between your condition and sleep apnea. Let's break down the relationship between these two conditions to help you understand what's going on. Fibromyalgia is a chronic condition characterized by widespread musculoskeletal pain, and it's known to affect sleep significantly. People with fibromyalgia often experience non-restorative sleep and daytime fatigue, which can be exacerbated by poor sleep quality. Now let's talk about sleep apnea. This is a sleep disorder where you stop breathing multiple times during the night because your soft palate and tongue collapse, blocking your throat. This can lead to poor quality sleep, making you feel tired, lethargic, and even causing headaches and more severe health issues like heart disease and high blood pressure. The connection between fibromyalgia and sleep apnea is quite strong. Research has shown that people with fibromyalgia are more likely to develop sleep apnea. In fact, studies have found that fibromyalgia patients have a tenfold increase in sleep-disordered breathing, which includes obstructive sleep apnea. But can fibromyalgia actually cause sleep apnea? The answer is a bit complex. While fibromyalgia itself doesn't directly cause sleep apnea, the sleep disturbances and pain associated with fibromyalgia can contribute to the development of sleep apnea. For instance, the chronic pain and discomfort from fibromyalgia can make it hard to sleep, leading to sleep disturbances that might increase the risk of sleep apnea. Additionally, the bidirectional relationship between fibromyalgia and sleep apnea means that each condition can exacerbate the symptoms of the other. Sleep apnea can worsen fibromyalgia symptoms by reducing the quality of sleep, which in turn can make pain more unbearable. Similarly, the pain from fibromyalgia can disrupt sleep, creating a vicious cycle that's hard to break. To summarize, while fibromyalgia doesn't directly cause sleep apnea, the sleep problems and chronic pain associated with fibromyalgia can increase the risk of developing sleep apnea. If you're experiencing symptoms of both conditions, it's important to get a sleep study to determine if you have sleep apnea and to seek treatment that addresses both conditions.